You see different people mingling that I don't think you ever would have seen before.
We saw a 43% increase in productivity.
Pretty much went from running 24/7 to about 5.5 days a week. Here's our 51% productivity increase.
How we've progressed from where we were to where we are to this team that we have is a combination of things. Redzone has been a huge part of that.
JBRB got a 38% productivity uplift.
The initial cost of Redzone was paid for in the first 90 days. Mariana got a 50% productivity uplift.
Great to see the team grow and really embrace this new software that they're using.
Taylor Farms achieved a productivity uplift of 37%.
So we've seen our profitability increase, we've seen our output increase, we've seen staff be happier and feel more engaged. In the first 90 days, we had an 83% increase in productivity.
It makes our lives here so much easier. We have achieved a 58% uptick in our OEE.
Redzone made such a huge difference culturally, and we've seen, I think, about a 20% increase since we started.
Without Redzone, we'll be operating blind. We got 31% uplift productivity.
47% uplift in our productivity.
We've experienced about a 25% increase. It's been tremendous.
Our downtime is so much less because of the Redzone.
We're showing a 32% uptick.
SK Food Group Reno has achieved a 41% increase in productivity.
We got 48% increase in the first 90 days, and then it's increased since then.
Knowledge, interaction, and overall engagement are probably the top three things that this has been able to give us to really push for the numbers.
Agri Merchants Violin has seen a 20% increase in productivity.